Hello everyone, I'm Shruti and welcome back to SHR Designer. In this video, we are diving deep into color theory in Figma, covering everything from solid files to linear angular diamonds gradient. And yes, I'll show you the exact plugins I use to generate stunning color palettes in second. Okay, if you're new here, hit the subscribe button. Let's dive into the video. And what we will be learning today is a multicolored theory, as I told you. Once I have drawn this rectangle, over here you can see the fill section. The fill section, is it visible to you all? Yes. The fill section over here, when you will scroll your cursor, we will notice the color are changes. Yes. So ये वाला पैन अगर स्क्रॉल करते हैं तो कलर चेंज होगा। यहाँ नीचे वाले कर्सर पे आप देखो, इसको स्क्रॉल करने पे डिफरेंट कलर आपको दिख रहे, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ कलर, ग्रीन इज देयर, ब्लू इज देयर, रेड, मल्टीपल, यू कैन यूज एनी ऑफ द। ये तो कलर वीडियो हुआ, इसको स्क्रॉल करने पे आपको कलर चेंजेस बहुत सारे डिफरेंट वेराइटीज ऑफ कलर मिलेंगे। और ग्रीन में आपको एकदम लाइट टोन चाहिए, डार्क चाहिए, बहुत ही डार्क चाहिए, तो इसको स्क्रॉल करने पे मिलेंगे, ठीक है। एंड द second this one आप cursor पे देखो, हरे, this one is the opacity cursor। opacity का मतलब क्या है, आप इसको जब स्क्रॉल करोगे तो आप देख रहे हैं, let me choose the dark green, okay, over, okay, let me choose the two, so you can see when I am reducing this opacity it is decreasing। अब दिख रहा है, कुछ नहीं दिखा, but still it's there। So this is basically for the opacity color wheel, okay। So opacity property is basically it reduces the present level of color। Now moving no down, this is over here we use in the hex color code। Whatever we are going to design, we will use the hex color code, और the second one is the RGB color। So पहले तो हमने hex तो देखेंगे, उसके बाद यहाँ पे ये आप नंबर कुछ देख रहे होगा, लाइक अभी ये देखो, ये लेटर्स एंड नंबर्स दिख रहा है। देन is this, are you noticing this changes? On changing the color, this is changing। so this is basically the color code। so if you want that ये वाला color code आप रखो, तो what you can do is you can copy this color code and now what you want, ये एक रेक्टेंगल ले और इस पे आप ये कलर डालना चाह रहे हो जो पहले का, you just put your cursor over, bring your cursor over here, double click and V। so ये पहले का cursor कलर आ गया, okay। if you want to, let me show it once again। I want to change this color, so copy the color, now select this object, go to the fill and control B, enter। ये भी आपका सेम कलर कोड ये, ठीक है। And this one over here 100%, you can see this is opacity wheel, you can reduce your opacity from over here, or you can directly enter the number like 14, it decreases। so over here you have understood what I want to say। now let me take text, let me take the text option over there, text, okay, and let me take one rectangle। so अभी आप देख सकते हो रेक्टेंगल के, मैं चाह रही है कि टेक्स्ट रेक्टेंगल के ऊपर है, नहीं, ये नीचे है। लेट मी चेंज द कलर फर्स्ट, कब थोड़ा चेंजेस समझ आए, ये वो डिग्रेड ओके. सो इफ यू वांट कि टेक्स्ट ऊपर आए बट ये ऊपर नहीं है, इफ यू वांट रेक्टेंगल ऊपर जाए, रेक्टेंगल बेसिकली ऊपर है क्योंकि पता कैसे चलेगा, द थिंग इज प्रेजेंट अबव, that means it is on the top of the layer. Okay, so if you want to bring text on the top of the rectangle, just bring your cursor over the text, drag and drop it above rectangle. अब ये आप देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पे दिख रहा है कि ऊपर में. ओके, अब आप कहीं पे भी ले जाओ ये ऊपर ही रहेगा, बिकॉज इस डिजाइन ट्री वाले, एज आई हैव एक्सप्लेन इन द प्रीवियस वीडियो, डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया हुआ है, अगर नहीं पता है तो. डिजाइन ट्री क्या होता है? तो बेसिकली दिस इज द डिजाइन ट्री. ओवर हियर you can see the text is above the rectangle, that means it is present on the above layer. So now what is the next thing I want to explain it over here about the opacity property. If you want that text to be visible, what you can do, the other thing is that go to the fill and reduce the property of text, opacity of the rectangle. Now you can notice the text is visible. So this is what I wanted to explain about the opacity property from this text and rectangle. Now next is the eyedropper tool. You can notice it over here. That is this. This is the eyedropper. What basically this does is, if you want that the text color to be same as the rectangle color is, so what you will do, bring your eyedropper. Okay, let me first select the text. Like this is the text, I want to change the color. Now bring your eyedropper tool. From where you want to extract the color, like I've already extracted from the rectangle, extract it, and now go. Over here you can see the text color is changed to white. Okay, so these are the basic two that you must know. So these are quite basic shades. Next we will be moving forward. देखो, अगर आपका डिज़ाइन के करने के बाद लाइक स्केल टूल यूज़ करने पे, अगर आप स्केल टूल यूज़ कर रहे हो, अगर यू कैन सी दैट स्केल टूल, अगर आप ये यूज़ कर रहे हो, then you will not notice any of the design section, you will not find any of the fill color present over here. No color will be visible. That means you are on the scale tool. When you will press V, that is the shortcut, V, or else you will click move. आप देख सकते हो ये fill, opacity, these all design section will be visible to you. So अगर किसी का fill color नहीं दिखता है, that means you're on the scale tool. Convert your layer, like change it to scale to move tool, and you will back to the design section. So now let's move to the next thing is the gradient. Like this is a solid color. Now over here you can see is this, you can see on Kubrick over the color, you can see that solid pop out menu is coming out. This is a solid. Now we will move to the gradient part. For the gradient part, you can notice two cursor over here. If you want to add another, you can just click it over here. You will get one more. If you need another, you can click it over here again. So this is the basically gradient. And if you want to change the color, click on the rectangle box and change the color. Like play with these all, we will get to know what basically how it. रेडियल पार्ट यहाँ आप देख सकते हो, इस पे भी आप कलर चेंज कर सकते हो. इफ़ यू वांट टू डिलीट, बेसिकली यू वांट दैट ये रेड और ये दोनों डिलीट हो जाए, तो जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दैट एंड क्लिक डिलीट ऑन योर कीबोर्ड. Click the rectangle box and delete on your keyboard. It will automatically get deleted. ठीक है. This is basically the flip gradient. Like if you want that white side to be present at the right side and red to be present at the right side, just flip this. Boom. We can see it over here. You can reduce the opacity or like change the direction if you want light come that अगर लाइट को इस तरफ से आपको चाहिए कि इस तरफ से आए, just move your cursor where if you want this red to come from this side, you can move your cursor from this side. Basically this is used, you can use this for shadow and all. बहुत सारे जगह use you can use this like to कोई image place करके and then you can add white to that background. So this is basically the use of radial gradient. Next we will move to the angular gradient. देखो इससे जितना खेलोगे उतना समझ में आएगा कि क्या है क्या नहीं है. So I'm teaching the point basic. इसमें भी आप ऐड कर सकते हो on clicking it over here. Like if you are going with the blue, you can change the color like the triad बन गया. And this is a property of color. If you want to delete one of the color from this page, just click this rectangle and delete. Press delete. Click the rectangle, press delete. Oh, what's happening? Okay, sorry. So this is all about basic gradient tree. Radial समझ में आया. Angular. Then this is the diamond. You can see it over here. Right? This is the diamond. इसका भी यूज काफी जगह किया हुआ है. Like it's not that. उसको आप लाइक ब्लू कर दो. Then the color and choose upon it. Which you can see. So basically these all features I use. जब तक आप खेलोगे नहीं समझ में नहीं आएगा इसका क्या यूज है. So this is basically the flip color. कि जो जहाँ ब्लू था वहाँ white हो जाएगा. We can check it this all out and understand what this are used for. Next is the pattern. Over here you can see pattern is that no. Pattern I will explain you in the meter of the parts. Let's move to the image section. Over here what you can do is that take a circle over here and you want to place this image. Just go to the upload from computer. Select the circle, upload from rectangle and basically on this. Okay. So here आप सर्कल के अंदर आप इसको देख सकते हो and over here you can see that fit. Like fill basically what it does is that it will fill all the space you have given. Like rectangle से पूरा space fill कर देगा. Fit is basically if your image is आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे ध्यान से देखो. अगर आपका इमेज सिर्फ इतना ही पार्ट है तो सिर्फ इतना ही पार्ट डजंट मैटर आपका सर्कल पूरा कवर हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा है उससे मतलब नहीं है. अगर आपका इमेज का सिर्फ इतना ही रेक्टेंगल यूज है सिर्फ इतना ही रेक्टेंगल यूज करेगा ना वो पूरा फिल कवर नहीं करेगा सर्कल. ठीक है. सो बेसिकली वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट द क्रॉप सेक्शन. सो क्रॉप सेक्शन आप अपने अकॉर्डिंग क्रॉप कर सकते हो. आपको चाहिए कि सिर्फ इतना पार्ट आए या फिर चाहिए कि सिर्फ फेस आए. यू कैन क्रॉप इट अकॉर्डिंग टू योर पर्सपेक्टिव. लाइक जैसा आपको चाहिए you can crop it all according to your choice. So basically this is the use of crop. आप इससे जितना खेलोगे इतना समझ में आएगा क्या है क्या नहीं. Then this is the exposure section, contrast section. मतलब basically it will change the color of your images. Like it will increase the increasing the exposure. It will make your image more brighter. Contrast जितने भी black areas है वो थोड़ा blackish और कर देगा. Then the saturation section, temperature. Like temperature basically you have warm colors and cool colors. Like देखो इधर warm colors जा रहा है. The blue is getting more bluish and over here you can see it is getting more warmer colors then. So then it'll be pinch section. The more you are going to play with this all things, you will get to know what the things are. Then is the highlight section, and next moving on to the shadow section. Shadow section is basically for the blackish part. The If you want this area to get more black, just increase, and over here you can see it's getting more shadow. If you want some decrement in the shadow, like basically the black increases and the black decreases. So these are all the section of the colors. And if you notice this gradient option over here, linear and rectangle, these are not only for the shapes, as I have explained, that these are only I have explained with the shapes, rectangle, circle. These are also applicable with the any of the text section too. Like if you go to the fill color and open the text, you can see that you can change the color of the text over here by clicking it from this. So as you have understood that fill color, that is basically color, is not only for the shapes, it is also applicable for the text or any of the images you want. So these all you have understood. Let me delete all these and let's move to the next thing, is that stroke section. Below this, you will notice that there is a stroke section. Over here, what you will see is that if you take a line, that if you draw a line, it automatically have a stroke section filled. Like आप देखो, एक रेक्टेंगल बना के देखो, रेक्टेंगल बनाओ, यहाँ दिख रहा है fill section is available. But when you are drawing a line, like draw a line, stroke section available है. That means for line, they have an inbuilt stroke section. Okay, they don't have fill section over here. But if you want, you can just add it over here. If you don't want the stroke section, you will just click on the minus, that is the remove section. The stroke will get removed. Okay, remove हो गया, unless if you want, you can just add it over here. Let me change the color so it's respect. Okay. So stroke section is basically it is about as for that if you want to make some border over here, like let me add stroke over here. Like stroke के भी सारे same feature है, like gradient, image and everything. Whatever you want, you can change it according to your perspective. Like if you want that, you want the black color over here, and you can change the weight, like let me keep 4 so it's visible to you guys. So you can notice these things. The stroke has pink scope. Now let me show you something with the gradient. Like if you want that over here it is gradient, and over here you want that no color to be pressed, just reduce the opacity, like it's a bit low opacity. Now you can notice the changes, that it is like a bit zero types color is present over here, and over here you can see 100% opacity is there for the stroke. Like you can play with this type of color. Let me just reduce the opacity of white and you will notice some changes. Can you notice the changes of the stroke? So basically you can play with this stroke section and this pinch. So these are quite basic. If you are loving this, just drop a blue heart. You let me know it is okay or not. So now, here is a little secret I use. When I'm stuck on color palettes, I go to the color compass, pick a mood of theme, and boom, instant inspiration. Let me show you this. If you want to make a color palette, like you don't know which color to use over here, then these two are present over in your design, and you don't know what color should I take and what not. So let me tell you how you can generate a color palette for yourself. Just right click on the Figma canvas, go to the plugin. Over here, I have generated the color compass, so it is present on the reset, but you will go to the manage plugin. Search for color compass, enter. You will just notice it will be present over here. It will be present over here. Once you will press enter, the pop-up menu will be present over here, color compass. On clicking the color compass, run generator will open. There will be a generator coming to you that will just at the top down. There will be a run option. Just run that option and you will be on the color compass screen. So let me show you how it is used. Like you can see, let me summarize it for you. Just right click on the Figma canvas, go to the plugin, manage plugin, search for the color compass. So you can see the logo over here, color wheel types ka logo aada. Click on the color compass and a run option will pop out. Click on the run option and now the next panel what you will see it over here is this. अब इसको use कैसे करना है? You have a rough idea that I want a red color over here. Basically what you want is the red color over here. So let's change the color for this. For this is basically you want the red color. But you don't want that. What should I keep for this or the other text section? So you're basically confused with that. What we will do is take the color, copy the color code and just paste it over here and press enter. Boom. Here is your final result. You can see number of color like random, dark mode, light mode, complementary, split complementary, triadic, analogous, tetradic, saturate, desaturate, shades, twins, numbers of things are there. Like let's change to the green. Green, let me copy this color code and write it over. You can see numbers of green shade are there, and if you want to use this, just click on the plus icon and it will be present on your Figma canvas. Now you can use your eyedropper tool to just copy the colors. Eyedropper basically I usually tell it चोरी चकारी करने वाला do, ठीक है? Color चोरी करने वाला, okay? So this is all about for today, and this is my channel link, that is SHR Designer. Now you know exactly how to master color theory in Figma from basic to pro level plugins. Just drop a blue heart if you love this, if it is a bit useful to you guys. If this helped, don't forget to subscribe, like, and most importantly, share this with a friend who's just starting out in design.